Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking in signal quality. Plug in or ensure AAC/aptX on your source, because clean input equals tighter low end. Once connected, set the Solo 4 volume around 70% so the amp headroom stays healthy. Make sure ANC is neutral so processing doesn't smear bass. Then open your EQ. Don't jump. Select a bass-friendly preset and raise the 60 to 120 Hz band by about 3 to 6 dB to add weight without distortion. Now you sculpt the bass so it sits, not overwhelms. If the track contains sub-bass, add a gentle shelf at 30 to 50 Hz, just 2 to 4 dB, because too much makes the Solo 4 struggle. Once done, clean the mid-bass region by mildly cutting 200 to 400 Hz with a narrow Q. That opens space for bass clarity. Finally, set a 20 Hz high pass to protect the drivers, and if your app supports it, apply light compression at about a 2-to-1 ratio to even out peaks. Finish by comparing against a reference track so you can hear if the changes translate musically. Toggle your EQ on and off while listening at moderate level. If you hear distortion, immediately lower the 60-120 Hz boost or drop the device volume because clipping is the usual culprit. And if the bass sounds hollow, nudge up 120 to 250 Hz. If it's boomy, cut 40 to 80 Hz and reevaluate after a few minutes. Our ears adapt, so double-check before finalizing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.